Greetings. It's a few years since I created an end of year message, and I suppose in a nutshell my message is be true to wood. Working wood demands a truth to material, something I've always searched for in my own woodworking. And we live in an uncertain era, increasingly characterized by mistruth around us. Wood is a grounding material, reminding us of our relationship with nature. Indeed, we are part of nature. I'd like to thank my subscribers for supporting my somewhat eclectic but diverse channel. I've been sharing over half a century of my passion for designing and making, not just in wood, but embracing other materials and other interests. And your feedback and comments are the lifeblood of my modest channel, so please share your thoughts. Please tell me what content you'd like to see from me in 2025. The competition to attract viewers is increasingly tough as the standards rise, and maybe there's now just too much of everything. I only really make videos when I feel I have something to say, and I really don't understand the algorithms that drastically affect the visibility of videos, irrespective of quality of content. Now, one video I would like to mention is the first part of my guitar compilation of 25 songs, set against a showcase of some clips from my channel. Now, it's an hour long of easy listening, my interpretations of popular classics to either dip into or maybe to share with someone you know who's laid up in hospital. Music is a great therapy. So, my best wishes for 2025. Be true, be healthy, stay as young as you can for as long as you can. What's that woodworking rule? Keep the piece of wood as long as you can for as long as you can. Thank you for watching.